So in this video, we will see how to use Google Bigtable Connector. So before going to create a mapping task, first we need to create a connection. So for creating a connection, so just provide a connection name, select the type as Google Bigtable, select your secure agent, and these are the three attributes we need to connect with Google Bigtable. So one is service account ID, service account key, and the project ID. I will move on to the mapping. So for creating a new mapping task, just click on new. So select the mapping and click on create. So for reading the data from Bigtable, so we need to select our Bigtable connection at the source level. At the source, select our Bigtable connection. And select the object. Object in the sense means the table. If you see the Bigtable, so I'm selecting the student object, there is table. So now I am moving to target. In the target, I am using the flat file connection to store the data. So after the reading from Google Bigtable. So select the object. In this video, I am creating a target at the runtime. So provide the CSV name here, file name with extension. So save the mapping and run the task. So select our secure agent and run. So we can see the status of the job by clicking my jobs. So currently my task is starting. So in my Google Bigtable account, I'm currently having only one table, that is student. So we can read the student data by using cvt read student command. So currently I'm having only one record, that is student one. So my task run successfully. So you can verify the result. See that the data is successfully read from a big table and write into my CSV file. So now we'll look how to insert the data into big table. So for inserting the data into big table, I'm creating a CSV file and store some data here. So these are my data I'm going to insert. For inserting a data, just create a new mapping. At the source level, we need to select the flat file. For object, I'm selecting that file. So by clicking preview data, we can see what are the data is present inside that file. See, these are the data it is present inside student grade.csv. So now we move to target. For target, we need to select our Google Bigtable connection. Select the object. So I'm going to insert the data into student table. So I am selecting the student table as object. So after selecting the object, select the operation type as insert. So after selecting the operation, go to field mapping. So map the field from source to target. So save your mapping task and run your task. So my task is running successfully. So you can verify the result in the big table. You can see student 2 and student 3 are added to the big table for the student table.